Now that you've unboxed your trainer, let's get started. Your PLC trainer comes fully assembled and ready to plug into a 120-volt wall outlet, with the exception of the HMI touchscreen option and the LMC motion control option. That's right, even this AC drive, which is going to put out 230-volt three-phase, only requires 120-volt input. Your HMI option will come with a harness already wired to your trainer, and all you need to do is connect the power and your Ethernet cable, and then it mounts at the top of your PLC trainer. So you'll take one bolt and one plastic washer and put it in between there and the HMI. And then we're going to put another plastic washer on the other side of it, mainly to keep us from damaging our sticker, especially for you who are putting it in a Pelican case. You do have to remove this each time. Then we'll slide it through our PLC trainer, put another plastic washer on the back side of it, and then put our nut. Your LMC's linear actuator mounts on the side of the trainer. There's going to be 2 screws in your linear actuator. Go ahead and remove those. Then simply stick the screw through the hole from the inside, line up your linear actuator, and tighten the screw up. On the back side of your trainer, you're going to want to connect the power connector to your drive and connect the Ethernet cable to your drive. And then you'll have a separate motor cable. We're going to plug that into the drive. And then we will plug our cables together to our motor. In the flat one, there will be 2 connectors. Just go ahead and plug both of those in. And in the other one, it is a key connector that can only go one way. And then we'll slide the covers back over top of that. Now we have many different PLC options, but this next testing step is the same. They're all of them except the compact guard logics, which is our RA5069 option. So if you have the RA5000 compact logics option, or the Micro 850 option, or even the S7-1200 option, you don't need to do this next step. Before the RA5069, we're going to need to temporarily install 2 wires. So your trainer comes with a pack of wires. So just pull 2 of those out. And then on our 5069 OB16, that's our green module here, we want to plug a wire into terminal 16, which is the second from the bottom. And the wires go into the left hole. The right hole is first to release the wire. Push the wire in, and this wire is going to go into our left set of terminal blocks over here. I'm going to press that in, and then we're going to press a wire into terminal 17 on the same 5069 OB16. That's that bottom terminal. And it will go to the right set of terminal blocks. Are you ready to power up your trainer? And we are going to use the outputs of our PLC to make sure everything's connected properly. On our RA5069 compact guard logics and our RA5000 compact logics PLC, you're going to look at outputs 11 through 14. 11 means that your drive is connected. If you have the LMC, the linear motion control option, you're going to have output 12 on. And if you have the IO link option, then you're going to have output 14 on. If you're using either Allen Bradley's Micro 850 PLC or Siemens S7-1200 PLC, your drive OK is going to be output 4. Your linear actuator OK is going to be output 5. Your Ethernet switch OK is going to be output 6. Your IO link OK is going to be output 7. And your HMI OK is going to be output 8. After that, let's go ahead and take the 2 temporary wires off of our compact guard logics PLC, and let's get a little familiar with some of these components before we dig into our wiring exercise. And click here to follow me over there.